Okay, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Bitcoin prices has dropped to 77,739.98. What you're looking at the screen is the current price at the time. It is about 5:47 p.m. I noticed this like probably like a couple hours ago, and it was around like 79,000. It dropped 78,000. Now it's 77,000. I felt like I have to make a video and let you guys know that I feel like, because for me, like, I'm late in the game, but I feel like I'm on time, like I said. That I think it's a good time to buy because it's low, and how things look. Even if that thing goes up a couple like $1,000, it's still gonna, it's you're profiting, right? You're getting some gains. I did ask Chat GPT, like why did the price drop? So I wanted to get its information and what it knows. So once again, before we continue any further, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude just getting sucked into the crypto world, and it's exciting. It's a new thing going on. I know it's been here for like a good minute, but for me it's new, so I'm a newbie. All right, here we go. So this is Chat's response that Bitcoin's recent price decline can be attributed to several interrelated factors. We got global trade tensions, market volatility, regulatory developments. So once, of course, it's the announcement of the tariffs. There's global trade tensions, and then it's like leading investors to move away from riskier assets, including cryptocurrencies. For the market volatility, yeah. The broader financial markets have experienced significant downturns, with the major indices such as the Dow and S&P 500 recording sharp losses. This market instability has influenced the cryptocurrency sector, contributing to Bitcoin's price drop. Regulatory developments, the establishment of a strategic Bitcoin reserve by, of course, the U.S. government, relying solely on confiscated assets without new purchases, has led to investors' disappointment and subsequent decrease in Bitcoin's price. This is ChatGPT's response, not mine. Like, bro. So there's market caution, see otherwise advice, emphasizing the importance or thorough research and consideration of one's risk tolerance before making investment decisions. Yes, please be careful. But $77,000, I mean, that's a grip of money, you know what I mean? And for that to be as low as that, like I said, if you get in on it right now, and then once it goes back up, or it corrects itself from what I've seen recently in the past month, it was like 84,000, right? I mean, that's still, you get a couple $1,000 increase, right? Is that how it goes? And so I'm just, you know, let me show you. Let me show you the charts over here. Bam. So here it is. We were cruising. Also, I'm not a specialist on like candlesticks or anything like that, or I'm barely learning how to read charts and whatnot. So as you can see, we are going down the hike. Everything's good, right? And it's like, oh, okay, here, let's go for our first slide. Boom, boom. Okay. And then it's what? Consolidation, right? Something like that. And then it's gone, and then it dips. Boom. And this is today. Where are we at? Yeah. When did we start dropping? So yeah, this happened recently. Look at that. See? And now we are at 77,000, as you can see on the screen. 77K. I mean, you know what I mean? So when the price was like what, 82, 83, if you were to purchase about like $1,000 worth, let's just say $1,000 worth, and if the coin is expected to go to $1 million, you get like at least what, 12K, right? Something like that. But if you invest $1,000 now, isn't that going to add up a little bit more? I'm just saying. So, if you guys want to do the math, please leave down in the comments down below. So what else is cracking down? Let me see. I don't see any, like, there's no updates on Twitter about the drop. And here, let's see what else. Do you think the price will drop down even further? There we go. It's chat. Great question. All right, here we go. Reasons might drop further: market uncertainty, ongoing global economic tension like tariffs, interest rates hikes, or inflation can spook investors and cause more sell-offs. Regulation pressure, governments cracking down on crypto, or uncertainty about new rules can shake confidence. Low volume trading: if fewer people are buying or trading, it can lead to weaker support levels, making dips more likely. Whale movements: large holders, whales selling off can cause a ripple effect in the market. Okay, all right. And then Halloween approaching. The next Bitcoin Halloween is expected in 2024 to 2025. Historically, this event has triggered huge bull runs. Institutional interests, despite dips, more big players are entering the crypto space. And let's see, buy the dip. Many investors are treating this dip as a discount and accumulating. That's why I made my thumbnail the way it looks with the little sell tag on it, and it's just going up and all right, boom. I, if you guys are new to the crypto space and you want to like dip in, get your toes wet a little bit, I do have a Coinbase affiliate link on my description. You guys want to take a look at that. The special that you guys get is like what, $20. So it'll be $20 for me and $20 for you guys if they spend their first trade of $20 or more. That's what they said. That's how it goes. Either way, it sounds like a win-win situation. You start getting into the crypto world. If you even put $20 on Bitcoin just to get you started, get your portfolio going, diversify yourself. Don't forget that as well on your portfolio. Take a look. This will, of course, it would help me out with the crypto space and my channel, and it's going to get you started on your journey. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You can do what you want with your money. It's your hard-earned money. You spend the time, hours, the sweat, the pain, the tears, the stress, all that kind of stuff. But this is for you guys. If you want to invest in it, go for it. I'll give you an example, like I said on my last video. If you go to a coffee shop and you spend about like $8 and, or like $5, let's say, you spend $5. Monday through Friday, right? Just for like 1 week right there is what, $25, correct? So $25 could go into a Bitcoin. It's how you want to where you want to put your money into, So let's say you get this, right? And it goes up. Guess what? You could buy a ton more coffee later down in the future. I'm just saying. But it is up to you guys. You do what you want. But please do your due diligence and researching into the crypto space and all these coins that are out, that have been out, meme coins, all that kind of stuff. Like I am still green around the gills, honestly. And I thought it would be a wise decision to be able to announce this in my channel, which you guys have been seeing. It's been mostly video games and got some old time movies and some of my music that I put out there. And so this one, like I said, my channel is a wild card. It's a phoenix. You burn up, you come into the ashes, and from the ashes a new phoenix is born. So I think my channel is going to be very diversified, and I feel like this is calling out to me to be able to share the word, spread the word. Why not? But there's been a lot of talks going on, especially recently this year, about the whole crypto world. But yeah. All right, guys. Let me know what you think. You see, it jumped up to 78,000. Let me know what you think. I'm going to get this video out as soon as possible before the sale runs out, because I don't know when it's going to go back up, There's always that possibility, like, it could go up. It could go up today, for all we know. So here we are, 78,000. Like, it could actually go up or it could go down. And look at that. That's amazing. That's just wild. Like, it's just like boom. So today we're gonna take a breather, but I think we're gonna be. Don't quote me. I'm not a professional. I swear I'm not a professional. I have no like financial degree or anything like that. But if this right here has been like, what is this consolidation, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong, please. And we might go through another consolidation stage, right? And we'll see by what, like Tuesday, this could be start going up a little bit and go to a correction. But if it goes right here where it starts balancing out, I mean, you guys, however much you invest, so you're gonna get some gains, right? Isn't that how it goes? And especially if the rumors are like it's supposed to hit 1 million, like shoot, I believe it, man. Like like I passed up the opportunity a long time ago because I didn't know any better. I was into like finances or anything, didn't dabble in stocks or anything like that. Bitcoin came out way back, right? And I think it was like less, like what was it, 22 cents, something like that, right? And I wish I stumbled upon that video from this guy, a YouTuber, who said like, please like buy $1 worth during that time. And he said, just buy $1. And he knew what he was saying. He called it. He saw, and so now I think this is like an opportunity to not pass up again. And of course, the numbers are super high for most of us. We're like working hard, like 2 jobs, 3 jobs, maybe 4 jobs, depending on your, on the situation that you're at. And it's very challenging, very, very, very challenging times. But to be able to invest in something like this, that it's pretty much like, hey, if it went from 22 cents to 78,000 to like 82,000 or 109,000 not too long ago, yo, like bro, like you could still make, some profit, right? If it goes up to 1 mil, just think about it. Do the math. Do your due diligence. But if you guys enjoy these types of videos on my channel, please let me know. Subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. Check out the affiliate link. See what you think. And let me know if I helped out, even if it's just one person be interested in getting into the crypto world. But I will catch you on the next one, guys, and have a good day. Peace.